Did you know your Brazilian wax isn't just hair removal? It disrupts a delicate skin ecosystem. The wrong post-wax care can cause bumps, redness, and irritation. In this video, we'll show how to protect your skin microbiome for lasting smoothness. Brazilian waxing involves controlled trauma to your skin. It strips away the acid mantle, leaving your microbiome defenseless. Empty follicles allow harmful bacteria to invade. Remember, skin is a microbial garden, not just a surface to clean. Protecting helpful microbes reduces irritation and keeps skin resilient. Harsh alcohols and astringents destroy beneficial bacteria. Microbial stewardship is now the standard for post-wax care. A diverse bacterial ecosystem acts as a natural shield against friction and sweat. Supporting your microbiome helps prevent bumps and redness naturally. After waxing, your skin's lipid barrier becomes fragile. Bioidentical lipids seal the skin and prevent water loss. Smart emollients create a breathable shield without clogging follicles. A strong barrier maintains the right pH for helpful microbes to recolonize. This effectively reduces inflammation and irritation. Life-strain probiotic serums are perfect for sensitive bikini skin. They outcompete harmful bacteria and promote a healthy microbiome. Apply these serums immediately after waxing and within 24 hours. This ensures beneficial bacteria colonize before inflammation kicks in. For lasting smoothness, follow this resilience ritual. Cleanse gently using microbiome-friendly formulas. Apply the probiotic serum within 2 hours. Seal your skin with a bioidentical lipid barrier. Repeat this daily for 3 days to support your skin ecosystem. This routine reduces ingrown hairs, accelerates healing, and keeps skin resilient. Smooth skin isn't just about hair removal, it's all about microbiome care. Start your post-wax routine today for healthy, resilient skin. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed skincare tips.